The internet has officially broken the stock market. GameStop stock is up another 70% today and has been already halted twice. Currently, while I'm making this video, the stock is currently being halted because of extreme, and I mean extreme volatility. I unfortunately shorted GameStop like a moron, but I do believe that it will have a somewhat of a pullback pretty soon. The stock has been on an absolute tear, this year with the new consoles being released and, all that has happened. You would think that investors would have panicked for the years that the company has just struggled with its brick and mortar stores, but the stock is surprisingly strong as hell. GameStop shares did the opposite of what people expected, proving that no amount of wisdom can predict the madness of crowds and especially Wall Street bets. Shares are rising over 1,000% in just a month and a half of trading. For years, GameStop seemed to be destined by the same thing, through their terrible management that kept it into brick and mortar stores. But ever since the investor, CEO of Chewy, got into this stock, it has been on an absolute tear. We've seen the stock literally in March sitting at around $4 a share, and now we are literally at about $75 a share due to a massive short squeeze, which basically means that there was not enough shares there were so many shares that were shorted and not enough shares that could be bought that the people had to buy the shares at the highest possible price. And that is what we're seeing now. We're seeing a massive short squeeze. I don't know how long this is going to last. I don't know what's going to happen after it is unhalted. But this is a very similar thing that happened with the stock GNC, which is a weight supplement stock. I use GNC. It's good for fitness and all that stuff. And basically the stock, same thing happened. It was on a decline. And then the stock went from $15 to $60 in about a year due to a huge short squeeze. The company is bankrupt now, but does not take away from the fact that what happened. And we are back on, and the stock is again moving with insane volatility. I don't know what's going to happen. People are just buying the stock up like crazy, trying to fry the shorts. As you guys can clearly see, I'm already down huge, well over $1,000 on my current short position, and we don't know what's going to happen with GameStop. It's currently trading at about 500 times price per earnings for a PE ratio, which is obviously extremely high. So clearly the valuation has been thrown out the window and fundamentals have been thrown out the window and everything like that. It's clearly right now just a race to try to burn the shorts, I feel like. And that's exactly what's happening. Unfortunately, I picked the wrong side of this trade. I'm not going to, deny that. And I'm obviously going to lose a ton of money on this trade. I do think it's going to dump, and that's why I did pick a February 5th strike price. Give it about a week or two to really settle down and see what actually happens with this stock. But nothing seems to be, stopping this thing at all. We're sitting at $75 a share and, with no signs of stopping. But, the crazy thing about this is unprecedented. We have never seen something like this in our entire lives. And, it's going to be interesting to see what happens with these current positions. I don't know. My options are saying I'm up, I'm down. It's moving so fast. I have honestly never seen something like this in my entire life, and I don't know what's going to happen with this. I'm going to just watch it closely. Like I said, give it about a week to settle down and see what the hell is going on with this. But it's interesting. This is clearly like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that we have seen where, about 1 million people on the internet have just absolutely taken a stock and just pushed it in whatever direction they wanted to by pure manipulation tactics. But I guess it works, and I don't know what the shorts response is going to be by this. I don't know if they're going to, double down. I don't know if they're even able to double down. The stock is moving at a rate right now that I have never seen in my entire life before, and it's incredible to see. Obviously not incredible for my portfolio. If we look at that thing is just being, kicked in the head right now from this, and it's not even updating because I don't think they can even comprehend how fast these options are moving. 400% one second, 200% the other second. There's no way to know what's going to happen with this stock. No way to know what's going to happen with these options, but it doesn't look good right now. As you can clearly see, the bid and the asks, because these are spreads, are just moving like absolute crazy. And we're just going to have to see. Like I said, I'm going to wait and see what happens. But, this is truly extraordinary and something that I have never seen in my entire life before. I don't know what's going to happen if it's going to go to 100 like people are saying, or if it's going to crash right back down to 20 like Citron was saying. But anyways, guys, I hope you are enjoying this this entertainment at my expense, so to speak. But yeah, guys, this is just extraordinary. And hopefully something will happen. Hopefully it will go down for my sake, but I'm not expecting it considering the fact that a lot of these are at the $50 strike price and it's sitting at $70. So I doubt that will happen anytime soon. But like I said, we'll have to see. If I had money, I'd actually buy puts at this price, but I don't have any extra buying power since I'm basically all in with these credit spreads. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope if you are in GameStop, you are making profits, and I congratulate you. I'm not going to be salty about it, but yeah, just enjoy your day, and we are living in history right now. So pretty awesome. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys next video. Take it easy, guys. Bye.